Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, man. It's Thursday morning, February 13th. Yeah, see it, guys. I wake up to go to work. Get ready for work, but it's not a bed of rose out here right now. So I have to get up early. This is the life we have to live. This is the life we have to live, guys, here in Canada. See it there? See the bad boy there? See it there? This is no joke, man, I tell you. See it there? Up on the tree, them guys. Right there. So, wake up early, now 5 o'clock, yeah? I'm gonna have to clean this before I can drive out. See that, guys? Not nice, man, I tell you. Not nice. Yeah. Wicked snowstorm last night, yo. Wicked snowstorm. February 13, 2025, Thursday, February 13th. Yeah, man. Yet, them things we have to deal with. Nobody thinks life nice and life easy and life sweet. See it there? Look up on the floor. This is no joke thing. This is no play thing. So I have to wake up earlier now. I have to clean this. And after I clean this, I have to take my time to go to work. Yeah. See it there? Yeah, man. See it there? No joke thing in the morning now. See it there? So I put them there. And I don't play a thing. I get that glove. Man, I have to get that glove, I have a snow blower, guys. I have a snow blower, but can't bother to go take out snow blower, So I go and use my shovel. Actually, guys, think a joke thing this. Think a play thing this. It's another joke thing. See me, guys? This is no play things around here. Tell you, see people, work me gonna, yo. But guess what? I have to do all of this before I can go to work. Better rose. Tell her now. See him there? Yeah, man. I want to put on my glove, but through my record and I talk, can't really put on the glove yet. Yeah. Yeah, man. See him there, guys? Nice. I tell her, and it's cold. Yeah. Nice and it's cold. Yeah. Tell her, that no joke thing, yo. This is known plating. Yeah. Known joke thing, yo. Well, guys, catch you now. Because I don't know, I have to shovel the whole of this. And then I go shovel my neighbor over there. So the little old lady over there in carry the park. I go shovel for her driveway before I left. So, catch you now, guys. I'll talk to you later, alright? Blessed love. Peace. Stay safe. Welcome to Canada. Welcome to Canada, Jamaica Overseas Kitchen.